In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pick the right Jasper AI subscription plan. We'll walk through exactly where to find the plans inside your account and how to compare what's included so you can choose confidently. First, head to the Jasper app. Once you're in, look to the top left for your profile icon. Click that, then choose Workspace Settings. This area is where you manage how your workspace is set up, and it's also where plan and billing options live, so it's the right place to start when you're evaluating subscriptions. Inside Workspace Settings, select Plans. This brings you to the page that lays out your options. If you see a prompt to explore our plans, go ahead and open that. It's designed to give you a side-by-side view and clear summaries, which makes comparing much easier. Begin by opening the Pro plan. You'll see a headline highlighting that it's powerful AI to stay on brand even at scale. That's Jasper's way of saying Pro is built for individuals or small teams who need consistent, high-quality content that matches your brand voice. Pro includes one seat by default, so it's set up for a single primary user. If you work solo or you're just starting to formalize your content process, that's often all you need. You'll also notice mention of the Canvas platform for accelerated, on-brand content creation and more. Canvas is Jasper's workspace for planning, drafting, and refining content in one place, which helps reduce switching between tools and keeps your tone consistent. If your priority is speed, brand alignment, and a streamlined writing flow, Pro covers those bases well. Next, click into Business. You'll see it described as the AI platform built to elevate your brand and accelerate the impact of your team. This plan is aimed at growing teams and organizations that want broader collaboration and more advanced controls. You'll notice phrasing like everything in Pro Plus, which signals added capabilities on top of what you just saw. Among those additions are advanced agents for complex campaign orchestration. Think of agents as specialized assistants that can coordinate multi-step, multi-channel work, helping you scale campaigns without losing oversight. You'll also see a no-code AI agent builder to create custom agents without developers and more. This means you can tailor AI helpers to your processes without writing code, which is especially useful if you have unique workflows or compliance needs. To recap, open plans, compare Pro and Business, and weigh whether a single seat with Canvas suits your content needs or if your team benefits from the advanced agent capabilities in Business. When you're ready, choose the plan that matches your current stage, knowing you can revisit this page as your needs evolve.